Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the new 2024 Ford Maverick XL. Coming in this nice iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the 4K tow package. Taking a look at the back here, you have your tow hitch right there, backup camera of course, and moving to the front. We have that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably, and we do have this black cloth and gray cloth interior. You got a 12 volt out here, little hook for whatever you need, as well as plenty of door space, and the grab handle is just right there. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are manual, the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We do have plenty of door space again, that nice grab handle, some nice leathering on the door. Trailer disconnects right there, and your lights are just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 14 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. You have your toggle free menu, voice, phone, and media, volume and mute, and cruise control just right there. And looking at your main menu, you have trip 1 and true, reset values for all that. You have your My View, which you can go through all these, your digital speedometer, audio, which has AM, FM, so on and so forth, your phone, other settings of the vehicle, such as all this fun stuff, and so on and so forth. And looking over here, you have your gear shift, parking brake, 2 cup holders with some storage, your drive modes, which are normal, tow and haul, slippery, then eco, sport, and so on and so forth. You have your auto stop, auto start, and your auto hold, little storage there as well as there, with some storage there as well, USB and USB-C, a 12 volt just right there. You have your climate just right there as well, and a nice leather wraps in the console with a fair bit of storage down there. You have your fans right there, hazards with your volume and tune. You also have storage right there and in the glove compartment. And looking at your main screen here, you have your what station you're currently on, what device is connected, so on and so forth. You have your audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities, phone, any apps you may have downloaded, and your settings such as Bluetooth, mobile app, FORDPASS, Wi-Fi, and so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RA98675, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.